As a full-time traveler, sometimes function has to take priority over fashion. Fortunately, I discovered Lo and Sons, and I've been using their fashionable and functional products to travel the world for the last 4 years. The Claremont camera bag. Don't let this soft leather bag fool you. It's a powerhouse camera bag disguised as a crossbody purse. I love that it's discreet and doesn't look like a camera bag. Additionally, it features a padded interior to protect your DSLR, SD card slots, and a back pocket which is perfect for your wallet or passport. The Hanover Backpack has a multitude of secret pockets. My favorite is the one that has a soft interior to store your cell phone and the additional new pocket for your laptop.
This is the Waverly. It's a crossbody bag that becomes a belt bag, and what I love about it is I'm able to travel hands-free, go to concerts, anything where you need your hands, but I'm able to know that my stuff is safe because it's right here in front of me.
The Pearl is my everyday bag and the perfect travel purse if you don't plan on carrying a large camera. It's sleek, but it's still big enough to carry a whole bottle of water. The Catalina is the perfect weekender bag. I use this for quick trips. I love the special storage that it has for shoes at the bottom of the bag, and it even has a removable tray.
I'm so glad I found Lo and Sons. I'm so passionate about their products. Their high quality, stylish, and their thoughtful designs help me stay organized whether I'm traveling the world or right here at home.
If you're looking for the perfect bag to keep you organized while looking good on the go, look no further. To find these products that I love, head to loandsons.com. And for more travel tips, visit trustedtravelgirl.com.